This video lesson is all about solving problems involving linear equations. Problem number 1. Jake is playing his favorite mobile game. The objective of the game is for the player to earn a specific number of stars to progress to the next higher level. Jake has already earned 300 stars and he can earn 100 stars for every hour of playing the game. How many stars will Jake have earned after playing for 4 hours? First, we need to understand the problem. So Jake has already 300 stars and in every hour of playing, he will gain 100 stars. So the question is, in 4 hours, how many stars will he get? And then, we need to translate the problem into equation. So we need to let x be the number of hours that he will play, while y will be the total number of stars. And then, we will construct the linear equation. So, we need to get the total number of stars equals Jake will earn 100 stars in every hour. So, that is x plus the initial number of stars of Jake, which is 300. And then, we need to substitute the value of x, which is 4 hours. That is in the question. So, we have y equals 100 times 4, which is the value of x, plus 300. So, we have y equals 100 times 4, that is 400, plus the initial number of stars, which is 300. So, the total will be y is equals to 400 plus 300, that is 700. That is the answer for this problem. If you want to check your answer, we will just substitute the value of x, which is 4, and then y is 700. Using our equation y is equals to 100x plus 300, we will substitute the value of x and y. So we have y is 700 equals 100 times x, which is 4, plus 300. So copy 700. 100 times 4, that is 400, plus 300. So we will have 700 equals 700. So our answer is correct. Problem number 2. A dressmaker charges 750 pesos for sewing a seat cover with a minimum of 20 pieces plus 100 pesos per seat cover cloth. How much will it cost if you will order 20 seat covers? Here, we need to let x be the number of seat covers and then y will be the total amount that you will pay for the seat cover plus the charges. So we need to make the linear equation of these examples. We have y, the total amount that you will pay, equals, in every seat cover, it costs 100 pesos, times x, which is the number of seat covers, plus the charge of the dressmaker, which is 750. According to the question, we will be ordering 20 seat covers. So that is the number of seat covers. X is equals to 20. And then we will just substitute it to the linear equation. Copy y equals 100 times 20 plus 750. Y equals 100 times 20, that is 2,000, plus 750. We have y is equals to 2,000 plus 750, that is 2,750. So this will be the cost of ordering 20 seat covers. If you want to check your answer, you will just substitute the value of x, which is 20, y is 2,750. In the equation, y is equals to 100, x plus 750. Y is 2,750. Substitute it. Equals 100 times 20, which is the x, plus 750. So we have 100 times 20, that is 2,000, plus 750. So 2750 equals 2750. The answer is correct. Problem number 3. A tricycle passenger is charged 20 pesos for the first 10 kilometers and additional of 3 pesos per succeeding kilometers. What is the cost of a 25-kilometer ride? We will let X be the charge per succeeding kilometers, and Y will be the total cost. In this example, it says that in every 10 kilometers, you will be charged 20 pesos and additional of 3 pesos per succeeding kilometers. In 11 kilometers, you need to pay 23 pesos. So we can have two coordinates in here. So we have 10 kilometers, 20 pesos, and then we have 11 kilometers, 23 pesos. So we will use these two coordinates to have the equation of the line using two-point form. We have 10 and 20, 11 and 23. So the two-point form is y minus y sub 1 equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. So the first coordinates will be the sub 1. So we have x sub 1, y sub 1. The second coordinates are the sub 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. And then we will just substitute in the given form. So we have y minus y sub 1 is 20 equals y sub 2 is 23 minus y sub 1, which is 20, over x sub 2 is 11 minus x sub 1 is 10 times the quantity x minus x sub 1 is 10. So we have y minus 20 equals 23 minus 20, that is 3, over 11 minus 10, that is 1, times x minus 10. So we have y minus 20 equals, in the previous we have 3 over 1, that is equivalent to 3, times x minus 10. Y minus 20 equals 3 times x, that is 3x, 3 times negative 10, that is negative 30. And then we will use the left and the right side. So y will remain in the left side. Copy 3x minus 30. And then negative 20 will be transposed from left to the right side. So negative will become positive 20. So we will have y is equals to 3x, negative 30 plus 20, unlike sign minus. So we have negative 10. So this will become our linear equation. So going back to the example, we need to compute the 25-kilometer ride. So the number of hours will become 25. So we will just substitute. We have y is equals to 3 times 25 minus 10. Y is equals to 3 times 25, that is 75, minus 10. That will become 65. So you will pay 65 pesos for the 25-kilometer ride. Gian wants to buy a new mobile Android phone. She has already 2,500 in her savings account, but the amount is not enough, so she needs to save more in order to buy the phone. Her total savings can be modeled as y is equals to 100x plus 2,500, where y is her total savings and x is the number of days to save. If the total amount of the mobile phone is 4,450, will Gian be able to save enough in 20 days? The given linear equation is y is equals to 100x plus 2,500. So we need to find out if 20 days is enough for her to save. X is equals to 20, that is the number of days. So we will just substitute. So we have y is equals to 100 times 20 plus 2,500. Y is equals to 100 times 20, that is 2,000 plus 2,500. Y is equals to 2,000 plus 2,500, that is 4,500. Meaning, 20 days is enough for her to buy the new phone because the amount of the phone is only 4,450. So the answer here is yes.